20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast.
Yeah!
She is beautiful, she is smart, and she is Rhea Bravo!
I think sa buong movie, lahat ng characters may mga point kung kailan nila masasabi yun. Not necessarily verbally, pero mentally.
Okay.
It's a classic, old-school love story. And
Childhood boyfriend. Nakita, ang character mong Lara ay nakulong.
yes,
And you were represented by
Tom Rodriguez.
Tom Rodriguez.
Yung naging lawyer.
That's right.
Kaya siya napunta doon is nakuha siya ng illegal recruiter, which is, it actually really happens talaga.
Itong human trafficking.
Galing siyang probinsya, gusto niya magtrabaho sa Manila. And ayun nga, peke pala yung nakakuha sa kanya.
Sa buhay, what do you know now that you didn't know when you were 16?
That everything has to be intentional. Parang pinag-isipan lahat, dapat plinano mo lahat. At dapat kung ano yung goal mo, you're intentionally going for it. Kasi nung age ko before, parang feeling ko umasa lang ako sa swerte. Kung ano yung ibigay sa akin, edi great. At talaga namang sinuwerte din ako ng bonggang-bongga.
Okay.
So, hindi ko masyadong maintindihan na trabaho ko to, this is my professional life, I need to have a career plan, what do I want to be in the future? Dati parang iniisip ko lang na, okay, punta ka dito, ganyan-ganyan, tapos chika-chika sa set, tapos I didn't even think of how I will be good in acting.
But you're first lady, fair lady.
Fair lady?
Best actress, best girlfriend.
Best actress.
Gustong makasama sa GL series, Glyza o Michelle?
Ay, Glyza.
Gusto makasama sa bakasyon, Michelle or Marcos?
Pareho na lang.
Sa mga naging leading man, who is the best kisser?
Oh my God! Me! Charot! Wala.
Sa mga naging kontrabida mo, sino ang pinakamalakas manampal?
Oh my gosh. Glyza and G. Garcia.
Sa mga naging ex, kanino ka nahirapan mag-move on?
Lahat.
Guilty or not guilty, na-ghost ng lalaki. Guilty or not guilty, may iniwasang artista. Love or career?
Career.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights and E.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Every day.
Iiwan mo sa 2024. Ano ito?
Negativity. This is my comeback project with JC De Vera and Tom Rodriguez. And actually, it's Tom's comeback also in movies. So it's nice to be reunited with these people that I love to work with. At saka first time ko maka-work si Direk Joel Lamangan dito. So sana abangan nila. Ay, nako, it's always so great to be here on the show. Hindi lang dun sa mga parts na nakikita nyo, yung umeere, pero I also really value pag may commercial break, tapos nakakausap ko si Tito Boy. Ang dami ko talagang nakukuhang knowledge, wisdom, confidence, just so many tips.